In this video, you will learn how to replace the nozzle of a Bambu Lab A1 printer. First, remove this cover. Then, remove the silicone sock. Please note that this sock can get very hot, so let the hot end cool down first. This sock is there to keep the nozzle temperature more stable. Then push the right clip open. Ensure that both clips are open before removing the nozzle. Then remove the nozzle, which goes very easily. You can see that there is a magnet on the back. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. Let's put everything back in its place now and start with the nozzle. Place it back with the magnet on the back. You will feel when it is in the right place. First, close the left clip and then push the right clip until it clicks into place. Now, place the silicone sock back. And finally, place the cover. Make sure you don't start from the top, but rather from the bottom. Push against it to check if it is securely attached. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.